To use ChatGPT, we need to go to www.chat.openai.com. After that, sign up for the OpenAI account to continue. To sign up, enter your email address and press continue. You can also sign up via a Google or Microsoft account. When signed up, it will ask to verify that you are human. The first time it might take some time. In the next step, provide your about details. Press continue when done. Then, verify your phone number, select your country, and enter your phone number. You can also get the code on WhatsApp. For that, click on Do you have WhatsApp? And click on Yes. Next, on the screen, enter the code. ChatGPT is a free research preview. ChatGPT's goal is to get external feedback to improve our system and make them safer. While ChatGPT has safeguards in place, the system may occasionally generate incorrect or misleading information and produce offensive or biased content. It is not intended to give advice. After this pop-up, click on Next. How ChatGPT collects data? ChatGPT AI trainers may review conversions to improve the system. Please do not share any sensitive information in your conversations. Click on Next. ChatGPT loves your feedback. In the left side pane, options are given like New Chat, Dark Mode, OpenAI Discord, Updates and FAQ, and Log Out. On the right side, the conversions take place. Examples. There are some examples given to start conversion. You can also start conversion by directly typing into the long row at the screen's end. Capabilities. Some of the capabilities of ChatGPT are remembering what users said earlier in the conversion. It allows users to provide follow-up corrections. It is trained to decline inappropriate requests. Limitations. ChatGPT comes with some limitations, as it may occasionally generate incorrect information. It may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. It has limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. Now we will start using ChatGPT. So the first query we asked, what is ChatGPT, and pressed enter. It took seconds for ChatGPT to start answering. ChatGPT is an extensive language model developed by OpenAI that is trained on a dataset of conversational text. It is designed to generate human-like responses to text input and can be used for various natural languages processing tasks such as question answering, language translation, and text generation. It is also used in chatbot development. After that, I asked, make a list of where we can use ChatGPT. In no time, it provides us with a list of areas where we can use ChatGPT. Here are some potential use cases for ChatGPT. Chatbot development. ChatGPT can be used to generate responses for a chatbot, allowing it to have natural and human-like conversations with users. Then, for the sake of change, we asked what is 10 plus 9. The result was correct. Now, we asked how to cook roti step by step. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to cook roti. Start by mixing flour, salt, and water in a bowl to make a dough. Knead the dough for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. It provided step-by-step process to cook roti. With ChatGPT, we need not to search for many websites for simple queries. Next, we search for how to fix a broken pipe. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to fix a broken pipe. First, locate the broken line. This may require some searching, as the break may not always be immediately apparent. We received a solution within seconds. Then we asked ChatGPT to write a post on digital marketing tools. Digital marketing has become an integral part of any business strategy. With the rise of digital channels and the internet, businesses are now able to reach a global audience with ease. However, with so many digital marketing tools and channels available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this post, we will discuss some of the most popular and effective digital marketing tools that can help you grow your business online. And the list of tools is right in front of us. With the help of ChatGPT, we can write articles for our blog, descriptions for our YouTube videos, scripts for new businesses, blueprints for a startup, productivity methods, social calendar, and content for your digital marketing, all free of cost. There are many areas in which ChatGPT can be used as a productivity enhancement tool. That's all for ChatGPT now.